Okay, that's symbolic of the product. Ugh, there's a glare. Those did not come to me with it. Alright, let's do a final test. It works! It's time to take a break for dinner. Interestingly enough, it has Honeywell branded. I mean, it's it's branded Duracraft, but it carries the Honeywell name. Unfortunately, I think a lot of, but it works just fine. 10 plus 2 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 11. 10 plus I can count. I really can. I can count. Well, see, they're not bad. Yeah, see it? They're stupid goof. Oh, I don't want the. Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to get that fixed. But, well, I really didn't want it oscillating at this time, but I guess it's going to. Screw it back into the oscillation arm, or we can throw the screw on the floor. These tip over very easily. Not good. Jeez, not good either. I think there is still some. Oh, jeez. Why is that like that? Okay. Ouch. Date code of 12. Unblurred. Ugh. Date code of 12494, whatever it had to grips to, I don't know. I'm kind of surprised the ring is so low, given the appearance, what I believe is This is terrible. Well, needless to say, I think the quality of the recording quality, or the re-quality as I call it.
Record a message or we're not calling you back.
Always gotta kick the tripod in every video. For the shaft, or for oh my gosh, I really can't speak today. For the inside of the bearing here, I put this on a screwdriver, and I kind of wipe out the inside of the shaft. Inside of the bearing. This is a bearing. It's not even that late in the day. It's only 2 o'clock. Jeez. Oh, maybe I didn't sleep enough last night. Or we get out the fan. Oh, jeez. That little thing just almost fell. Anyways, fully on yet. Oh, here we go with the screen again. Okay, I so obviously don't want to record the screen. Okay. So, when the foliage comes on, I've used the 7980 for years, but ugh. Oh, jeez. The contacts don't look that dirty. Whoops, that's cool. Freak show number 2 for this production. Jeez. What a freak show. Always in the video. Indication of how old it is. Whoops. What the heck? Okay. A freak show. Always in the video. Ow! It's not the first time I've had to get stuff out of printers that shouldn't be in printers. Ow! Now we'll add a new one. Edit. This computer is infuriating. Edit. I didn't want it called Edit. Smack this daggone computer. Jeez, we have nothing because that power bar is not plugged in. It was still down this side is the heavy side, so let's add some more glue. Derp number 2 for this video. This looks like another replacement battery. This one is the Rocket Bus. Mayonnaise, I don't know what kind of funny man brand that is. And let's see here. Is this one it's got some junk on here. This one, XYSPADE, what the heck is that? 1973 to 1970, 80. 1970, 80. Wow, yeah, how about 1980? Good grief.
Greetings from Joe's Family Farm. We farmers have been out here in the tree fields.
Okay, so here's the testing phone line, and apparently it doesn't work unless you plug it in. Is the model number 29801C, or that's the black one, rather the white one, which is this one, is the model 2902980. Why can't I read numbers? The model number is 29802C. Okay, and it looks like a product of the Atkins, although it says the Thompson. It's a product of the Thompson, and my brain is just not working anymore. Moving on, so. Oh, jeez. The screws are in the wall, they're just out of the frame. Usually you turn it on and it's not working, and I don't know what that is. Anyways, okay, let's focus here. Oh man, what distracted me was there was some piece of plastic on this telephone, and I don't know I don't know where it came from. I'm gonna keep this because this person, oh jeez, gee, if I don't break it, oh my goodness. Was that say message erased or message 3?
6 messages.
Jeez.
Message 1.
And we have address book. Oh, jeez, we had it. We have address book. There's only one size off, and the hole is it's hollow in the center, so it'll be fine. Okay, we have another AC adapter. Oh, jeez, I almost just broke that. That's not good. That was a very expensive light. Oh, great. Goose! A skunk! Whoops, what a freak show. Getting a little carried away here. Okay. Which is somewhat unfortunate. We have 3 sticks of RAM. Actually 4, I can't count. Oh jeez. Well, these phones stink anyways. Jeez. Jeez. I think this particular computer... Oh jeez. The vid, oh no. The unbranded battery, which is more typical size and capacity. It's the 1000 milliamps. Unblur! Unblur. There we go. It's the 1000 milliamps at... Jeez, almost fell. And then over here, by this computer, I'm not doing too good today. We have cheese. Seems to just throw solid feedback. And it's not because it's on speakerphone. I'll put it off of speakerphone here. Or we'll throw the other phone. Testing. Freak show. As long as the... How many stinking times am I gonna collide with this tripod? Yeah, these were pretty good phones. What in the world? Well, that was probably made in China. But anyways, these were. What in the world? You there? Hello, line quality testing. I'll try it one more time. It's like it's connecting, but it doesn't do nothing. What's tripping with this phone? I don't think it's the phone. I'll call from the other phone just to make sure. Call from this phone. I know this phone works. You there? Hello? Alright, I guess we'll just have to call the Farmer Jones cold line because other thing's not working.
Jones Family Farm. This is the final week winery fall season as we are preparing for Christmas.
Live and learn. Alright, now I have a graphics card here. You know, how many daggone times am I going to kick this tripod? Anyways, this is a... Oh no, some memory just fell. I hope it doesn't forget things now. 8 is good enough for me. Whoops. Oh jeez, the testing foam just fell apart. The hook switch came out. Not the hook switch, the hook. Is everything gonna break today? Alright, let's call it up. Whoops. I need to learn how to use the equipment. Final inspection 888, so perhaps this is from 1988. What does that say? 83, 1983. Yeah, I can read numbers. It's almost like the handset. Whoa. It's fine. The motor is... Oh, jeez, I almost just knocked that right off the table. The phone. The motor is... Doesn't even say. Whoops. Jeez, I'm wrecking this desk here. Trying to show the ringtone. Keep it down. It's leaked so bad the dates become discolored. 2020, 20. Whoa, jeez. 2024. Wallet cards for operating the instruction manual. For operating the Digitan entering system remotely.